Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix malware issues with McAfee step by step clearly. Begin by opening your computer. Locate the McAfee icon on your desktop or in the system tray. Double-click the icon to launch the McAfee application. Once the application is open, look for the Virus and Threat Protection feature in the main menu. Click on Virus and Threat Protection. Select the scan option to perform a full system scan. Choose Run a full scan for the most thorough check for malware. Click Scan now to initiate the scan process. The scan may take several minutes, depending on your system's size and speed. Once the scan is complete, review the results displayed by McAfee. If any threats are detected, follow the prompts to remove or quarantine them. You may also see options to resolve issues or run additional scans. After dealing with detected threats, check for updates to your McAfee software. Click on My Account at the top of the screen. Select Check for Updates to ensure you have the latest protection features. If updates are available, click Update Now to install them. Restart your computer to ensure all changes take effect. Consider running another scan after rebooting to confirm that the malware has been successfully removed. Monitor your computer for any unusual behavior in the days following the scan. If problems persist, consider reaching out to McAfee support for further assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.